Hi everyone, Tsakofata here, Dumelang, Litsukile Jang, Kitsukile Sentle. All those greetings. Hello, how are you? I hope you've been well. This is our second episode of Lusika Rides, teaching you how to speak Setswana. How to communicate in Setswana. So today we're going to be learning how to count in Setswana. So I will say the numbers slowly and then we might learn how to use them in sentences. But we'll start with counting. So 1, nngwe or bongwe. 1, nngwe, bongwe. 2, bobedi or pedi. Bobedi or pedi. 3, boraro or tharo. Boraro or tharo. Bone or nne. Bone or nne. Botlhano or tlhano. Botlhano kana tlhano. Borataro, thataro. Borataro or thataro. Busupa or supa. Busupa or supa. Boroba bobedi. That one's a long one. Boroba bobedi, which actually means breaking two. Breaking two. I guess you break these two to make an 8. So boroba bobedi. Remember, bobedi is 2. So breaking 2 is 8. Don't ask me how we got there, but yeah. Boroba bobedi, which is 8. Boroba bongwe. So break 1. Ngwe was 1, remember? So roba is to break. Boroba bongwe, which is 9. And then 10. Lesome. 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 So bongwe, bobedi, boraro, bone, botlhano, borataro, bosupa, boroba bobedi, boroba bongwe, lesome. 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 Congratulations! You can count up to 10. Bongwe, bobedi, boraro, bone, botlhano, borataro, bosupa, boroba, bobedi, boroba, bongwe, lesome. So that is a nice segue to days of the week, which are actually very, very similar to counting. Some of the days are very, like literally the counting number equivalent, but not all of them. So Monday, musupologo. Monday, musupologo. Monday. So khosupologa, or to get the derivative of what it means, is like to crawl out of somewhere. To crawl out of somewhere. I guess everyone gets Monday-itis in Setswana and it's like, oh my God, we're crawling out of somewhere. That is Monday. Musupologo. Tuesday, labubedi. Remember? 2, bubedi. Tuesday is labubedi. 3, or Wednesday, laboraro. 3 was boraro. So Wednesday is laboraro. Thursday, labune. Bune was 4. So Thursday is labune. Labune. Like the 4th day of the week. Labune. Friday, labutlano. Labutlano, which is actually 5. Butlano is 5. So labutlano is Friday. Saturday is sabata, which actually is Sabbath. Sabbath, because I guess Setswana has a bit of Christian tradition maybe. So Sabbath is for the 6th day of the week. Or Saterdaga, which is an Afrikaner version. Saterdag, which is Saturday. And then Sunday is Tipi. Tipi, which is literally like bells. So I guess Christian bells, if you're not Seventh-day Adventist, are ringing on a Sunday. So Tipi. Tipi. Or with an Afrikaner version is Sondag. Sondag. Sondaga. So 7 days a week. Monday, musupologo. Musupologo. Tuesday, labobedi. Labobedi. Wednesday, laboraro. Laboraro. Thursday, labone. Labone. Friday, labotlano. Labotlano. Saturday, sabata or saterdaga. Or matlazo, actually. Matlazo. Because everyone's doing their laundry on Saturday. Matlazo means washing day. Laundry day. And then Sunday is tipi, the bells of the church. Or Sondag, which is the Afrikaner version. So we can count now. Bungwe, bobedi, boraro, bone, botlano, borataro, bosupa, boroba, bobedi, boroba, bongwe, lesome. Mosupologo, labobedi, laboraro, labone, labotlano, saterdaga, matlatso, sabata, Sondag, tipi. Yay! You can count and say the days of the week. And it's just episode 2. Look at you go. All right, we'll see you at the next one. Bye. Khosiame.